How to destroy your competition on Amazon. It's super easy, super simple. You don't need to complicate yourself in anything of Amazon because everything is super easy. You just need to learn, watch my videos, and use your common sense because Amazon Marketplace is just the same as the other marketplaces. Like, for example, if you take the example of any market, any shopping mall, any shop, so whatever sales theory will be implemented on that market, that shop, that is the same to Amazon. Because in Amazon, there are sellers and buyers. And into a physical shop, there are sellers and buyers. Both of them are human. So all of these strategies which a shopkeeper implement on his shop are the same. Because the buyer at the physical shop and the buyer at the Amazon shop is, after all are human beings. All are having the same brain, same psychology, and same choice. So all you have to do is don't complicate yourself with Amazon. That if Amazon is a complicated system or so on. Amazon is just like a shop and buyer is a human just like a common buyer, right? So basically, in order to destroy the competition, you need to make your mind clear. Like, the main theory in the whole world to destroy the competition is to over deliver or give something extra, right? For example, these are two products, like product number A and product number B. Like, these are the same product, but this product is sold by seller number 1 and this product is sold by seller number 2. So for example, if seller number 1 is old, having a too much reviews, so obviously every buyer will go to seller number 1 because this seller is an old seller giving a good quality product because it is having a good reviews, right? So if seller number B is a new seller and want to beat that competition, so he must have to give a reason to the buyer to purchase from him, not from the old competitor. And the thing he can give is either he can give a discount coupon, either he can offer any gift, like any free gift along with the packaging or anything like that. Right? So in today's video, I'm going to show you step by step with a live example of a product. Like, if you are a seller, a new seller, and if you want to beat the competition for the old seller and want to get the same sales as the old seller, so what you have to actually do in order to do that. And it's super easy, super simple, and this strategy can be implemented to any new product for Amazon. Right? So if at this point, if you're also excited like me to learn about this method, then keep on watching this video till the end without skipping any part, because this short video is super important for you, super easy, super simple. So let's see how we can do this. So as you can see that this is my 1 week sales, and if I put the filter for past 1 year and click on apply, so you can see that this is my 1 year sales. You can see that throughout the year I got consistent sales, and my sales actually increased in December, which was Christmas season. So around 150k was the revenue, and the cool thing about this is that the PPC spend was very less for the lifetime. So basically, I don't do any magic, I only use common sense and use some tips and tricks which I've already explained you in these videos. So if you also want to learn all of those tips, tricks and strategies, you can just go on my Amazon playlist on YouTube and learn all the tips for free just to get the revenue like this. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I'm on my laptop right now, and from there I have opened Amazon website. So just for an example, we can type any product to just analyze. Like, for example, if I launch this product and I'm a new seller, so obviously there will be some old sellers, and if I want to get sales, get rank, so I need to beat the competition, right? So let's just type for a product, bamboo spice jars, right? So after searching that keyword on Amazon, you can see Amazon is showing me some results of the competitors, right? So if I'm a new seller and I want to sell this product, so first of all, after typing that keyword, I will scroll down to this page and I will see who are the competitors and what they are selling and at what price. Right? So the common way to analyze the competition is to scroll down on the first page and note down the reviews, the selling price, the number of sales of all of the competitor into an Excel sheet or notepad or any diary where you can just make the comparison, right? So for example, if I see all of these sellers, these 4 sellers in front of you, right? So let's first check out the sales, reviews and selling price. Then we will check what are they offering, right? So the selling price for this first competitor is $22.99, $27, $23 and $21, right? And the reviews are 227, 1475, 167 and 188. And if we check the sales, so this competitor is getting 600 sales per month, 3000 sales per month, 750, right? So from here, you can just analyze the ratio between the sales and the reviews. It's super clear. Like, the seller having 227 reviews is getting 600 sales, and the seller having 1475 reviews is having 3000 sales. So it's simple. The more review the seller is having, the more sales he will get. But that is not the case in every case, because you can beat these sales by offering an extra stuff with a lower price. For example, you can see if we just leave out the seller number 3 and 4 and if we just focus on the seller number 1 and 2. So basically seller number 1 is selling for 22.98, the lower price, and seller number 2 is selling for 27.97, the higher price, but still he is getting sales. So right now we need to find out, like, if he is selling expensive, then what is the reason that he is getting more sales by selling expensive? Maybe the reason of selling at high price is he is giving more jars or any free gift or any extra stuff. So we can analyze this right now by just reading a title. So in order to read the full title, we need to open these both listings one by one into the new tab. So let's just open the first one and then open the second one. So from this main page, we can see the selling price, we can see the sales, and we can see the reviews, but what they are offering in that price. To learn that, we need to open their listing, right? So the seller number 1 having less sales and less price is basically offering 12 pack. You can see that when I open that listing and I hover on that image, so from there I can see that this seller is selling pack of 12. And pack of 12 at $22.99, and if I go down and if I check the capacity, you can see that the capacity is 4 ounce. So now what we can understand here is he is selling pack of 12 jars having the capacity of 4 ounce at $22.99. And if I open the second seller, so basically he is selling pack of 24, like 24 pieces, and the capacity is same 4 ounce, and he is selling for $27.97. Right? So the first thing is clear now is he's selling 24 pack and he's selling 12 packs, right? And now the second point is we need to find out, like, with jar, what else is included in that packaging. So from the image I can see there is a funnel, there is a marker, and there are some sticker labels to spice the jar bottles, right? And if I go on the second seller, so I can see this seller is giving the same, like a funnel, a marker, and a sticker, right? So now go back on the main page again and zoom out. So here you can see that the seller number 3. So basically the seller number 3 is selling 6 ounce jar at the price of $23.99, and he is getting 700 sales at the reviews of 167, right? So here from the seller number 3, what we can learn is, you can see that the seller number 3 is actually having low reviews than seller number 1, because seller number 1 is having 227 reviews and seller number 3 is having 167 reviews, and he's selling for expensive, but still he is getting 700 sales, but the seller number 1 is having 600 plus sales. Just because of that, he is giving something extra in the same price. So if I open a seller number 3 and try to analyze this listing, so what I can find is he is basically giving 15 packs of 6 ounce, right? So basically the capacity of each jar is not 4 ounce, just like seller number 1, but it is 6 ounce, and the pack size is 15 pack, like on the same price, like basically the price is not exactly same, but this price is $23.99 and this price is $22.99. So if I am a buyer and if I am having two listings in front of me, this one and this one, so which listing I will choose? Because if I go with this listing, so after paying $22.99, I will get 12 pack of jar of 4 ounce capacity. And if on this listing, if I pay $23.99, just $1 extra, and after paying that $1 extra, I will get not 12 but 15 pack, and I will get not 4 ounce capacity but 6 ounce capacity, right? So as a buyer, I will definitely go with this one, right? No matter how much reviews the first seller is having, because you can see that the first seller is having 227 reviews and the second seller is having 167 reviews, right? But all of the reviews are 4.5 star, and here I can see 4.8 star, right? So basically 4.5 star is not that bad, and I can go with this seller if I'm paying $1 extra and I'm getting an extra thing like extra space or extra bottles, right? So basically this is a theory. If you want to beat the competition, you need to analyze the listing of your main competitor, check out the pricing and check out what they are offering. So if you can lower down the price to $1 or $2 and offer your buyer something extra, the big size or the big quantity, like you can see that the quantity here is 12 and the quantity here is 15. So by just giving 3 jars extra, he is basically earning the trust of the customer. Like by paying only $1 extra, you are getting 3 extra jar, and the capacity of 1 jar is not 4 ounce, it is 6 ounce, right? So basically if you lower your price and if you over deliver to your customer, then obviously your customer will go with your listing, not from the old competitor listing, no matter how much reviews it is having or no matter how much quantity is giving, right? So basically this method can be implemented to any of the product. So right after watching this video, go on Amazon website, type your main product keyword and find out 2 or 3 best selling competitor, and then analyze their price and then check out what they're delivering in that price. And then after checking out that stuff, go to your supplier and negotiate with them. Like what extra stuff your supplier can give you at the price of 10 to 20 cents. I have seen many of these sellers who basically negotiate with their supplier to put any extra gift inside their packaging, like an extra towel, an extra spoon, or extra funnel, or any extra thing at the price of 10 or 20 cents. So basically, if they pay their supplier a 10 or 20 cents extra, and against that, if they can give any free extra gift to their buyer, so that free extra gift will be an competitive edge. Like that will be the unique selling point for them. And whenever a buyer go on Amazon, search for their product, and when they compare the pricing and compare the product they are getting, so if they see that on the same price, if they order from your listing and they will get a free gift or any free extra stuff, so they will definitely go with your listing. Right? Because I understand that if you're a new seller having no reviews and having no sales velocity or sale history, so it will be a little hard for you sometimes to get initial sales. So the only solution for that is you need to over deliver in your initial days. Like if you initial 2-3 months, if you over deliver any stuff, so you can actually get good sales rank, good reviews, and later after 4 or 5 months, you can actually increase your price when you get a lot of reviews. Right? So basically this was 100% proven method as per my experience, and whenever I implement that method to any of my FBA product, I actually saw a great increase in my sales on my new listing with low reviews as well. So right after watching this video, go there, implement that method, and if that method works for you, then don't forget to come here on this video and type your experience into the comment box, because if you do so, I will pin your comment. And that comment will be the motivation for all of those new sellers who want to implement that method, and before implementing, they want to see the results of the old seller who actually implement that technique and get the good sales. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video and learned something great from it. So if you find my content really informative and helpful for you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel as well, so you can watch more and more videos like this in future. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.